Electrical equipment. Like things to tie electrical shit together.
Deal. No, I'm getting in.
Ah, you getting in? We doing this? You like the 42 miles to empty?
Yeah, of course I do. I feel like you never have gas in your car.
Never. Never.
Yeah. Perfect.
My nose is killing me.
You should fix that.
Cut it off. Use the snips. Yeah, that's right. Just green or Hold on.
We can do a bike.
It's not focusing. Come back, come back.
I went rip. I was like, fuck.
That's so good, dude. It's like fucking not.
Spit on it.
Where the clip is.
No, I'm just working on my own spit.
I'm gonna wipe that off. Gross.
Yeah, they're filled past here, but they were filled to the top. Bro, that's some fucking bullshit.
Yeah, it's gonna fuck. They're skimping on your nose.
So you peel this out?
Yeah, how did you get that down so far?
Yeah.
Wrapped up without the grill.
Left with no grill on it.
I don't know, maybe you should keep it like that.
Oh, it's fucking.
It's kind of sick. Why is this fucking so warm?
I think they sent you two of the same one.
They did. That's so fucked up.
Because they should sit
I guess it's nice for the now.
like this angle wise. But
Yeah.
this should be. I mean, we can just bend the fuck out of this. Trace is all sketchable smiling.
It's getting there.
That's a little. We need to bend it.
Todd's neighbors are probably.
What?
Your neighbors are probably not
Okay.
thrilled.
Tokyo, just a nice bitch.
inch, maybe just shy of a quarter.
Yeah, not even gonna notice that. That's
Close.
good shit, dog.
Well, thank you, Tajua.
You gonna paint it?
Yeah. Hopefully I don't
Hello.
have another raptor.
What are you doing?
Got 2 phones.
One for the plug and one for the load. I need 2.
Whoa! Thank you, God, I appreciate it. And we'll get you food or something.
You watch me chop fenders on a brand new car.
That sounds irresponsible.
Beer 0 buddy.
It was pretty sick though.
Well, fair enough.
Just hold it out tight.
Magnetic.
we missed some.
Hell yeah.
When are you ordering the bacon?
I don't remember it all.
No shit.
Yeah, I'm not over here, but. Fingers?
Oh yeah. Right above.
That's sick.
It's fucking bright.
Turn it back on. I guess I can turn the brights off.
It's bright.
It's a lot whiter. Well, I guess the font set. That is really bright.